You set your alarm for 5 a.m., intending to start that project. But when it actually rings, you tell yourself you need 5 more minutes. Next thing you know, those 5 minutes have turned into a 2-hour sleep-in. You spend the rest of the morning carrying a heavy dose of guilt, wondering why you can't simply get out of bed. It's not that you're lazy, it's that your morning environment is built to let you fail. Today, we are looking at a 6-step system that shifts the control back to you. While these steps won't replace the need for actual sleep, they provide a reliable way to bypass the mental resistance of a 4:30 a.m. wake-up, even if your previous night's sleep was shorter than intended. The goal is to move away from relying on willpower and instead engineer a sequence of actions that makes staying in bed more difficult than getting up. Step 1. Place your phone or alarm clock across the room. When the alarm rings, you have to throw off the covers and physically walk to turn it off. This movement begins to interrupt the heavy grogginess of sleep inertia. Give yourself a specific instruction to read when you reach the device. Set an alarm label that asks why you are waking up. Forcing your brain to process a question and read text helps shift it from a passive to an active state. Step 2. A consistent morning starts with a predictable night. 30 minutes before you intend to sleep, put away all screens and dim the lights in your room to signal to your body that the day is over. Use this time to write down tomorrow's morning plan in a notebook. By defining exactly what you will do the moment you wake up, you remove the need to make any decisions when you're still half asleep. If you go to bed late, keep the 4:30 a.m. wake-up time. It will be difficult for the first morning, but sticking to the schedule allows your internal clock to adjust to the new routine within a few days. The success of your morning is determined by the preparation you finish the night before. Step 3. The first 10 minutes determine the momentum for your entire day. Avoid your phone, specifically social media and emails, as these force your brain into a reactive state before you've even had a glass of water. Instead, use 3 specific triggers to tell your body it's time to be alert. First, drink a full glass of water. Next, turn on the brightest lights in your room. Finally, do 10 jumping jacks to get your blood moving. Step 4. Physical activity alone isn't enough to keep you out of bed long term. You need a mental anchor, a specific reason to stay awake once the initial movement is over. Define that purpose now. Whether it's quiet reading, a morning workout, or a side project, having a predetermined task gives your mind a destination. When you combine physical movement with a clear objective, you eliminate the window of time where your brain tries to justify going back to sleep. Step 5. There will be mornings where you oversleep. This is a normal part of the process. When it happens, use a protocol to ensure one mistake doesn't become a permanent relapse. Follow the never miss twice rule. If you oversleep on day 4, drop the guilt. Focus entirely on hitting 4:30 on day 5. This prevents one slip-up from breaking momentum. Maintain this cycle for 3 weeks, and morning resistance fades into automatic behavior. Step 6. To reinforce this habit, you must pair the early wake-up with a positive reward. Your brain needs to associate 4:30 a.m. with something enjoyable rather than just effort. This could be a high-quality coffee, a favorite playlist, or the silence of the early morning. It reframes the time as a quiet privilege you've earned. For better results, keep your room cool and leave all technology in another room. As you fall asleep, tell yourself you are already prepared for the morning. This small shift in self-talk helps your brain accept the command to wake up more readily. Long-term discipline is built through small wins and the ability to get back on track, not through perfection. Think about the state you've created. Your alarm is across the room, your plan is ready, and your morning reward is waiting. You now have the chance to make progress on your most important goals while the rest of the world is still silent. If you're ready to start, make a public commitment in the comments by typing tomorrow 4:30 a.m. club. If you found these steps helpful, like and subscribe, and share this with someone who is currently struggling with the snooze button. Waking up at 4:30 a.m. isn't just about the time on the clock. It's about starting your day with a clear plan and the discipline to follow through.